Now we will try to simplify two very difficult kind of phenomena, that what is the level of significance and what is the confidence level. Usually the students have a very low confidence level regarding these two terms, and somehow we will try to simplify them today. Now the level of significance and the confidence level, what are these two things? The level of significance, as in a previous video we have already discussed, that null hypothesis, when it is true but somehow it is rejected, when a true null hypothesis is rejected, this is called type 1 error, and it is also called alpha. It is also called the alpha level. Now this type 1 error, that a true null hypothesis is rejected, it is called the level of significance. And now what is the confidence level? First of all, this is a bell-shaped curve. I have tried my level best to make it a bell-shaped, and if you think that it is not a bell-shaped, I say sorry for that, because I cannot make it more precise than this. Now, if we assume that this is a normal distribution curve, a Gaussian curve, here it is 95% confidence level. The confidence level is, we all know that sample mean, which is the x bar, and then the population mean, that is the mu, and the mu is usually unknown, as we cannot take the mean of the whole population. That's why we take a sample from the population that is very close to the population. A sample should be representative of the population, should better say. A sample should always be a representative of the population, so when we take the sample mean, this sample mean should be very close to the population mean. Are we vice versa, we can say that population mean should be within the sample mean. So in a bell-shaped curve, we have the 95% confidence level that the population mean is within this level of sample mean, and the sample mean is usually in the center. Here we have the sample mean. Now we have in the normal distribution curve, we have 95% probability that the population mean is within the sample mean. We have 95% confidence, we have 95% confidence level that this sample mean is a representative of the population mean, and these side areas are our areas of rejection. Now you may think that have you forgotten about the level of significance? No, we have not forgotten about the level of significance. Now the level of significance is here. We will revise that what is the level of significance. Level of the significance is that a true null hypothesis has been rejected, that is the type 1 error. So what is the probability that a true null hypothesis can be rejected? It is 5%. When we have 95% confidence level, there is 5% chance that a true null hypothesis can be rejected. So in a 95% confidence level, the level of significance is 5%. Half is here, half is here. So here is 0.025. Here is 0.025. So there is, at a 95% confidence level, there is 5% probability that the a true null hypothesis can be rejected in 5% of the cases. So now we can relate it with another phenomena. We all know that a significant p-value, a significant probability is less than or equal to 0.05. And this is a reason why we always say that if the probability value, p-value, is less than or equal to 0.05, then it is significant. So I think now I have tried my level best to clear what is confidence level and what is the level of significance. At the 95% confidence level, we are sure that the population mean is within the sample mean, and 95% probability that a null hypothesis will not be rejected, and it may be rejected in only 5% of the cases, and these are the areas of rejection.